Picture this, Sharon Bowers is digging through her family's pantry, eyeing an old can of soda and a half-empty bottle of vinegar. She's not reaching for the fridge, but for solutions. A few common household items, repurposed, can save hundreds of dollars without a single coupon. Curious? Stick around to see how everyday products transform from simple objects to money-saving magic. Think groceries are just for eating? Sharon flips the script, unlocking secret powers hidden in your shopping cart. In a small town near Portland, a reader named Linda discovered her used coffee grounds wiped out nasty scratches on her wooden table. Sharon tells how Linda, tired of pricey polish, turned to that forgotten container in the fridge, rubbing the grounds gently to restore shine. It's a hands-on, frugal fix that turns trash into treasure. Baking soda might be your kitchen's Swiss Army knife. Think of it like tiny, gentle magnets pulling grime and smells away. Sharon explains that this humble powder neutralizes acids and bases, making it perfect for scrubbing sinks or refreshing carpets. It works like a tiny chemistry lab in your pantry, quietly fixing problems without harsh chemicals. After peeling oranges in her sunny California kitchen, Sharon squeezes out extra value. She crafts natural cleaners from citrus oil-packed peels, effective against grease and stains. This isn't just recycling. It's turning food waste into chemical-free cleaning power, cutting costs and toxins, a double win you didn't see coming. Fancy products don't guarantee results. Sharon shows how simple staples make over your beauty and health routines, saving wallets and skin alike. In a quiet suburb of Austin, a mom named Jessica tried honey on her kids' scraped knees. Sharon shares how honey's natural antibacterial properties speed healing while keeping skin soft. What looked like a pantry oddity turned out to be a first-aid essential, saving on expensive ointments and trips to the drugstore. After a day at the beach, Sharon reaches for aloe vera, not some pricey lotion. The gel inside aloe leaves cools sunburns instantly, calming inflammation in a way modern creams struggle to match. It's nature's own pharmacy, sitting right on your windowsill or grocery aisle, ready to rescue burnt skin fast. Sharon explains how coconut oil revolutionized her skincare routine. One jar replaced pricey moisturizers, makeup removers, and even hair conditioners. The secret? Its versatility and nourishing fats that penetrate deeply. Switching to coconut oil cuts your beauty budget while pampering your skin with something pure and simple. Cleaning products line store shelves, but Sharon flips the picture, showing how your household heroes cut costs and clutter. Sharon recounts how her friend Mark in Chicago tossed out costly glass cleaners for white vinegar diluted with water. This combo left windows sparkling without the chemical residue, and saved Mark about $30 a month. It's a simple swap with a surprisingly fresh result, proving cheap ain't cheap looking. In her kitchen, Sharon sprinkles salt on tough stains like burned-on pots. The gritty crystals act like tiny scrub brush soldiers, working hard to knock stains loose without scratching. It's a power she compares to sandpaper's grit but much gentler, waking up your cookware as if brand new. Old toothbrushes? Don't toss them. Sharon uses these little brushes to clean tight crevices around faucets, in keyboards, and door tracks. She likens them to tiny detail artists restoring fine sculptures, sneaky tools you already own. These new rolls breathe life into forgotten stuff, cutting out the need for specialty brushes. Remember Linda scrubbing her table with coffee grounds? That's the magic Sharon teaches, seeing your stuff not just as what it is, but what it could be. Next time you reach for a cleaning spray or lotion, try thinking like Sharon. What could that box of baking soda, jar of honey, or old toothbrush do? Start small, experiment boldly, and watch your budget breathe easier. Subscribe for more book summaries like this one.